and gentlemen, in the Willie Kimani's murder case, will the 4 convicted persons be sentenced to death?
Josephat Mwenda and taxi driver Joseph Muiruri in 2016. All the 4 individuals who have been found guilty have expressed their intentions to appeal through their lawyers. The court has set the 23rd of September for victim impact statement and further directions.
In a court recording.
Well, we all know that the Penal Code, that is Section 204 of the Penal Code, provides that once you're convicted of murder, you're supposed to be sentenced to death. That is the law. Also, the Constitution in Article 26(3) provides for death sentence if it is a decision made by a court of law. Now, in this case, the 4 convicted persons are yet to be sentenced. Of course, the court will need to listen to their mitigation and, of course, the victim impact statement to assess the kind of sentence that they are supposed to give. In the past, the court was tied. Actually, the death sentence was cast on stone and the court could not deviate from the same. Luckily, the Supreme Court, through the Morowateto case, was able to craft a better form of punishment for persons convicted of murder. And now the mandatory death sentence was annulled. Though the death sentence is still there, the court has leeway to give other forms of sentences. But that does not mean that the court should be lenient. In this situation, we highly believe that these people must get a custodial sentence, meaning that they will be jailed. None will be sent to probation unless they have a terminal disease. Now, the likely sentence may be long jail sentences or life imprisonment, and of course, the death sentence itself. Well, if they are sentenced to death, will they be hanged? The other issue is about hanging. We yet to see anyone being hanged in this country in our lifetime. Well, we remember there is this guy who was hanged called Hezekiah Ochuka, and the other guys were involved in the 1982 coup. And I believe they were hanged around the year 1986, and we have not seen any other hanging after that. Well, the law allows hanging, so don't be surprised the kind of judgment the court will give. But going per the history of our courts and per the normal practice of these days, death by hanging is not common, especially in our courts in Kenya. So we expect a serious sentence, but we highly doubt it might be hanging. That is all. Kindly like and subscribe this channel.